Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 11. Anis made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? Right? We can solve in this way. In 6 overs, in 6 overs, in 6 overs, Anis made Anis made 42 runs. Anis made 42 runs. Therefore, in 1 over Anis made 42 by 6 runs, that is 6 7 is 42, that is 7 runs, right? 7 runs. Now in 7 overs, Anup made 63 runs. Therefore, in 1 over Anup made 63 by 7 runs, that is 9 is 63, 9 runs. Therefore, right? Who made more runs per over? That means in 1 over Anup made 9 runs and in 1 over Anis made 7 runs. Therefore, you can say that Anup made more runs per over. Therefore, we can say who made more runs per over. Therefore, you can say that Anup made more runs. Anup made more runs per over. Right? Again we are repeating. Here you see, in 6 overs Anis made 42 runs. Therefore, in 1 over Anis made 42 by 6, that is 7 runs. In 7 overs Anup made 63 runs and in 1 over Anup made 63 by 9, that is 9 runs. Therefore, here you see that Anup made 9 runs in 1 over and Anis made 7 runs in 1 over. Right? Therefore, you can say that Anup made more runs per over. This is the solution of question number 11 of exercise 12.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.